In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Word document to Google Docs. First, open Google Docs in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so the file lands in the right drive. Once Docs loads, look to the top left corner and click File, then choose Open. This brings up the window where you can pull in files from your computer, Google Drive, or other sources. In the Open window, switch to the Upload tab. This is the quickest way to move a Word document from your computer into your Google account. Click the Browse button, then navigate to the folder on your computer where your Word file is stored. Select the file. Most Word documents end in .doc or .docx, and click Open. You'll see the upload begin right away. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the document, this may take a moment. When it finishes, your file is stored in Google Drive, ready to be opened. Next, open Google Drive in a new browser tab. This keeps your place in Docs while you find the uploaded file. In Drive, locate the Word document you just uploaded. If you don't see it immediately, check the Recent section or use the search bar at the top. You'll notice the file shows a Word icon or a .docx label, confirming it's still in Word format. To work with it in Google Docs, right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. Drive will open a new Docs tab and create a Google Docs version of your file. Your original Word file remains in Drive unchanged, which is helpful if you want to keep both versions. As you review the document, you can edit text, adjust formatting, insert images, and more, just like any other Google Doc. Changes save automatically, so there's no need to hit save. If you want to copy in a different format, go to File, then Download in Google Docs. From there, choose the format you need, such as Microsoft Word for sending back to someone who uses Word, or PDF for a clean, shareable copy that preserves layout. This is a great option when you've made edits in Docs but need to deliver the file in a universally readable format. This process lets you easily upload, view, and edit Word files using Google Docs. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.